Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to check Thai Airways online. So guys, go to Google and search for Thai Airways as you can see here and click the first result. After that guys, as you can see here, go to check-in. I'm in check-in, click here, just click the last name and booking reference number as you can see here, and I choose the form identification and for booking reference, electronic ticket and or a frequent flyer program number, and just click submit. This is easy how you can check Thai Airways online. So guys, this is all to do in this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching guys. Any question down below and comment here and I will answer your question as soon possible.